We are driven to explore the unknown, to challenge limits and go beyond them, to create, to reinvent, and to push the bounds of gravity. This is what led us here. This is HoverPen 2.0. Meticulously engineered to freely balance at a 23.5 degree angle, HoverPen 2.0 is designed to defy gravity. A simple twist will send the pen kinetically spinning in a fluid, hypnotic motion for over 20 seconds. Task switching has been shown to enhance creativity and out-of-the-box thinking. We designed HoverPen 2.0 with this in mind, helping you to rapidly focus and refocus, boosting the quality of your brainstorming sessions. HoverPen 2.0's body is crafted from a single block of aircraft-grade aluminium. The reimagined casing has been refined with bold new dimensions and sleek ergonomic lines that feel like satin in the hand, as well as a fully magnetic cap that snaps into place. Inside is a precision flow ink cartridge, producing a premium writing experience. HoverPen 2.0 accepts any D1 size ink cartridge. Sliding cartridges allow for quick reloads and zero-rattle solid writing experience. This is your time. Explore the unknown. A new era has dawned. HoverPen 2.0 Interstellar Edition.